Welcome to Catholic Mom Mindset, a daily show where you learn to walk closely with the Holy Spirit so you can live the life God is calling you to. I'm your host, Sterling Jaquith. Let us begin. This is your reminder to do something nice for your husband. Most of us are taking care of a lot of kids, and our husband drives us bananas, and your brain is designed to look for things that are dangerous. And so, of course, it focuses on someone else's flaws, the way that they make your life harder, the things that they do that are annoying. You literally have a brain that's designed to do that. So today, I want you to use your brain to think about how much you love that guy. That God picked that man for you and your children. That there are good things about this man. And I want you to think of something nice that you could do for him today. What is something that would be really meaningful to him? And it could be something kind of unseen, like something you're just doing in the background to make his life easier. It doesn't have to be a grand gesture, but it could be just making something to eat that he really likes that you haven't made in a while. You know, it's so easy to get caught up in making the same things for dinner over and over again. And when life is difficult with kids, we don't always think, okay, I'm going to get the extra food and do the thing that takes extra time. But sometimes that can be really meaningful. And then maybe it's just having sex with him today. Right? And I never have sex when I don't agree to do it with myself. So with myself, I'm like, are we willing to do this? There can't be any bitterness. So if you didn't feel like it, right? If I say, hey, you should have sex with your husband, and part of your body's like, oh, I don't feel like that. I don't want to do that. I wouldn't have sex unless you can change your mind. Now, if you can sweet talk yourself into doing it, like, you know what? Let's do it. It doesn't take that long. And usually by the time it gets going, it's totally fine. Sometimes I like it. I love him so much. I'm just going to do this for him. Right? If you can do it with complete openness, go for it. Maybe it's giving him permission to do something. Like, hey, do you want to just go organize stuff in the garage? I'll watch the kids for 2 hours. But I know for me, my brain, because it's a human one, is just really focused on me. And making my life easier and making the home run more smoothly and taking care of those kids. That it takes effort for me to go, oh yeah, that guy I live with. I love that guy. What can I do that's nice for him? So this is my reminder to you. That you agreed to marry this guy. God brought the two of you together. You have a sacramental marriage. What is something nice that you could do for him today? And if you don't feel like it, that might even be the best time to do it. Right? Sometimes an act of love is really just serving one another, even when we don't feel like it. It's really powerful. Again, not through bitterness. So you got to get yourself to want to do it first. But when you do, loving others, serving others, feels really amazing. All right, so this is my episode for husbands. Unsung heroes. We're unsung heroes too, but it's not a competition. We can just love them for who they are. And he is a good guy, and he is a good dad, and he does so much for your family. What's one nice thing that you can do for him today? Thank you so much for listening, and have a blessed day. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Catholic Mom Mindset. To learn more about growing closer to the Holy Spirit, check out our free resources at madeforgreatness.co. Thank you so much for listening and have a blessed day.